Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I'm here today, well, tonight, to draw the winner for week 1's prize package, which you see before you right now. It was the Wings of Love paper pad, 12x12 paper pad, the Doodlebirds stamps, the butterfly stickers, the adhesive Martha Stewart borders, and this 12-inch long sheet of bling. And this was the prize pack for week 1. You had to watch the video, and those of you who followed directions and did what you were supposed to be entered into the drawing, I have printed out everyone's name, and we are going to fold up the names and put them in this box. My grandson is here helping me tonight, so we can do it a little bit quicker. I apologize for being late on my video and the drawing. It's been a hectic day, but we're gonna get to it, and him and I are gonna go ahead and start folding. We're gonna fold them all the same. I've cut them all the same. We're gonna fold them 3 times, half, half, and half, and just put them in this box, and he's gonna draw a winner out for us. And this week's prize pack is in the video that I have just uploaded. Fold it in half one more time, like that, okay? And it is the paintbrush that I made, and there's a bonus item along with the paintbrush. You'll have to watch the video and see. And there's also directions on how to be entered into this drawing. Now, all of this is part of our summer craft hop giveaway, and the grand prize is $30, and you have to be subscribed to all 6 channels in the hop, which I will have all of them linked below in the description box. If you don't see that, click on the show more so it'll drop down and you can see it. And to be eligible for that prize, you have to subscribe to all 6 channels, and you have to like and comment on every video during the hop. Now, all of us are going to upload a new video every Saturday. I haven't missed the deadline yet. It's only 9 o'clock at night, so I haven't missed it yet, but we're all going to upload a video every Saturday, and it'll be all 6 channels, and you just hop around to each channel, watch the video, like and comment. So it's 6 videos every week for 4 weeks. So you'll be commenting and liking on a total of 28 videos, and then at the end, on the 29th, the last Saturday, you will, the host of our hop, who is Carrie of Handcrafted by Carrie, will do the drawing on her channel. Now, Camden wants to shake it up real good and give it a good shake. Alright, you ain't got to beat holes in the box. Okay, close your eyes, reach your hand in there and pick one. You got one? Open it up and show them who the winner is.
Rosetta Brown, I believe.
Rosetta Brown. You are the winner of this prize package from week 1. Congratulations. If you will either email me at my email down in the description box, or leave a comment and leave me your address, I will mail out this prize package to you. If you haven't responded within 48 hours, I will do a redraw and award the prize to someone else. So, because last time I did a giveaway, I had people that never responded. So, anyway, congratulations, Rosetta. I'm sorry if I said it wrong, but congratulations, and y'all go and check out week 2's video, because there's another prize package for that as well. can be the winner next week. So y'all have a crafty evening, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
Goodbye, my crafty friends.